Yeah. Let's see the thought process, Kashyap, step by step. Let's take the first string. We will come to the code little later. Let's see the
Yeah.
first string you have. What is the first string?
Mm, the first string is XXHI XX.
Okay. Let's see if I ask you to split the first string, take one character separate and remaining string separate. Where will you split it then? Which
I'll just
character?
I'll split it at 0 and then
Okay. So you can easily check 0th character, right?
correct.
If it is X, now your recursive function is written to take a string as a parameter, right?
Correct.
First character you have taken out, you can also check this character is X or not. And remaining string, you can call the same function again with remaining string, removing first character. That is possible.
Correct.
So first character taken out, if it is X, your answer is 1 plus answer
1
coming from
plus
recursion.
correct. Correct.
But in recursion, which string will you pass?
I plus 1. I mean like 1 1
So
1 substring.
we can create a substring of the given string, and we don't use a helper function.
Yeah, we can do that. Correct. We
Yeah,
don't
so,
even need correct.
correct. So yeah, can you write this code now? Yeah, let this if condition be there. First check if this character is X or not. Yeah, if this is X, then you are saying your answer would be what?
1 plus
Yeah,
count.
return of. You have to
Yeah,
write
yeah,
return.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Return 1 plus count of um substring, right?
str dot
str dot
substring. Yeah, substring is the function. Complete
substring.
small
Yeah,
and just say one.
uh,
Just say one. Now, substring function, if we talk about, it takes either one parameter or two parameters. One parameter, if you give, it will say starting from index one, take everything. That is the substring it is taking.
yes, correct.
Yeah. And it also takes two parameters, start index and end index. But remember, end index is always excluded.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. So now we are saying this. Yeah, put a semicolon.
Yeah.
This is when the first character is X. If first character is not X, what will be your answer then?
If it is not X, then else it is going to be return count X str. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. Now think about your string was XXHIXX, first string that is
Mm,
given in example, right?
mm,
Because first one is X, so you will say one plus answer coming from remaining, correct?
correct.
From that remaining, again you will be in recursion. Again, the substring will have first character as X.
Correct.
Now you'll make a recursive call with HIXX, right?
Correct.
HIXX will check H. H is
Mm,
not X, so it will go to else and it will say return the answer of IXX directly.
mm, mm, mm,
IXX will call only XX, right? Because
correct.
I is yeah, IXX will call only X and return that answer only XX.
Mm,
XX will call only X.
mm.
Think about what will last X called when your string as a parameter is only X in double quotes. What would that do?
And if in the last character, like when we do like when it goes
Yeah.
to
Let's
X's,
say if we call countX function with a string which is in double quote X, that is the string.
so then I mean if uh, that will be our base condition. If str dot length is equal to yeah, or if str dot length is greater than um, is
No, we will come to that. First, tell me if it is only X, current code, what will current code do?
it'll do one plus it'll do a substring of one, which is will give a null pointer exception.
No, no, it will not give null pointer exception. It will give an empty string.
But we don't have anything, right? Or let's say the input is only
See, empty string is also a substring, right?
if this is the case, then we'll have x equal to 1, 1 plus, and then when we do substring of 1, okay, so it's an empty string, correct, correct.
Will
Mm,
be. So
mm,
better write the base case for empty string. That will be
mm,
more convenient. What
correct.
will be the base case for empty string?
If str is empty, if I remember.
No, no, you can say dot length is 0.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah.
Multiple ways are there. Dot length is 0. Length will be a function because the string is a class. Yeah.
Mm,
str dot length. No, no, length will be L small, round brackets will be there.
yeah, yeah.
Double equals 0.
Then
Return.
return 0.
That's all. Look at whatever you have written. You just came up with the correct base case. You came up with the correct recursive calls. That's all.
Yeah, that's it.
Hit a go. Okay. You see, some cases are still missing. Which cases are missing out?
If I think the end condition, as in um, if we just go x x h I x x, I think uh, when it goes above the after the length of the string, I think the last condition.
Mm-hmm. No,
Uh,
last condition will become string length 0, right? See, your X case is fine.
hmm,
Yeah, it is giving stack overflow for only H. Look at only H case. Fourth test case. And help me with fourth test case.
this
See,
one.
yeah, come to fifth test case. No, in sequence,
Uh,
fifth test case.
correct,
Fifth,
correct, correct.
fifth
Yeah,
test case is working fine, correct?
yeah, yeah. Yeah. Zero. These
That
are
means,
working then.
yeah, that means these are the base cases for first test case. Fourth test case, what will happen? Just tell me what will happen in computer and in your code that you have. If it is H, what will happen?
If it is h, it will go to this, and then it'll recursively just keep calling.
For H, what will happen? Let's go line by line in the code.
So if it is h for this count, if this is h,
What is the
then
length?
the length is 1.
Okay,
So
we'll come to if.
then
Is if
it
condition
will,
true?
no, it will come to the else part.
Okay, in else, what are you passing?
I'm passing just the direct same string I'm passing.
So you will pass H again. Again, it
And
will pass H.
it'll be
Again,
just,
it
it'll
will
loop.
pass H.
Correct, correct, correct,
You
correct,
see that else case has to be corrected.
correct.
What will be the else case? If character is not X, you agree that you will say 0 plus answer of substring from 1.
Correct. I mean, we don't need to do 0, right? I mean, this should be enough, right?
Not required, but
Yeah,
think about
yeah,
it. Earlier we did
correct,
1 plus, here it is eventually 0 plus.
correct, correct, correct,
Otherwise, what is happening? H is being passed again and again and again and again, and it is never ending.
correct, correct.
Yeah, now try. So you understood what we did in recursive thinking?
Hmm. Yeah, this is place where I am struggling, Sandeep. As in,
That's why I told
uh,
you to work these problems. I understood. Not a
correct,
problem.